Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can record the screen of your iPad. So if you're making gameplay videos or if you're making tutorial videos on your iPad, then you should know how to record your iPad screen. So in order to have the screen recording icon in the control center of your iPad, you're simply going to open the settings on your iPad. You're going to scroll down from the left until you're going to find control center. You're going to press on control center right here. From here on the right side, you're going to go down until you see screen recording. You're going to press on the add button right here, and you're going to have screen recording on the top list. Now if you open control center, you're going to have the screen recording icon, and you can change its position as well by dragging on the top or bottom, and the position will be changed on the apps in the control center as well. Now if you want to take a screen recording on your iPad, you're simply going to open control center, press on the screen recording button. You're going to have a 3-second timer, and after that screen recording will be started and all of your iPad screen will be recording, and you're going to have a little screen recording icon on the top right side, meaning that you are recording your screen. If you want to stop it, just press on this icon, press on stop, and the recording will be saved onto your gallery. If I press and open it, you can see that the screen recording has been saved onto my iPad gallery. If I open the control center again and long press on the screen recording icon, you can see it says microphone is currently off, meaning that when it is off, it's going to record the audio within iPad, but it will not record any audio if you have connected any headset. So if you're streaming with your microphone, you should enable this option and it will capture your audio as well from your microphone. So yeah guys, in this way you can have the screen recording app icon on your iPad. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.